All right, so this shape has 9 sides. N is going to be 9. And so let's replace the N with a 9. Now let me just double check. I want to make sure that I think you did, but I'm going to double check it here. So if we count these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 sides. Yes, 9 sides. So N is 9, and that doesn't look like a 9. So that formula will become 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Times 180 degrees. What's 9 minus 2? Well, it's 7, of course, right? So what is 7 times, I can't do that in my head, 7 times 180, 7 times 180 is 1260, right? 1260 degrees. So that's what our sum is. Now you said earlier, and you're right, that what we're going to do is add everything up. We just needed to know what it's going to add up to. It's going to add up to 1260. If you had, more sides or fewer sides, then that would be a different number. So I'm going to write that formula down. We're going to add it. Let me start here at this, whatever. Let me make a circle so I can remember where I started. Let's start here and go around. So we're going to add up 115 plus 165 plus S, and I'm going to use a different color so it doesn't look like a 5, okay? Plus, what else? I'm going to have to move all this down. So we don't run out of room. All right, plus what will come after that? 115, yes? 115 degrees. Plus 140 degrees. Plus 130 degrees. Plus 150 degrees. Not very neat. Plus 140 degrees, right? Plus another 140, right? And guess what it all equals? 12. Well, okay, yeah, I'm sorry. What I meant to say was when we write our equation, this will equal 1260, right? And yeah, you already added those up and you got 1095. I'll take your word for that. Let me just double check it. I'll take your word, but I'll double check it once we get this written. So we've got 1095 plus S, right? 1095 plus S. That's not a 5, that's the letter S, right? Equals 1260. Let's double check the arithmetic there. I think you're probably right, but I want to make sure before we don't get it wrong. 115 plus 165 plus 15 plus 30 plus 50 plus 140. Yeah, 295. Okay. So I'll bet you know what to do. Why don't you tell me, please? What do we have to do now to get S? Yes. Yep. Yeah. You're right. 60 minus. And I got 165. Okay, good. There we go. Equals 160. Type that in and tell me if it's right when you put it in. It should be. All right. And we'll stop that now.